Okay, recording for the first vlog ng Pabili App. So, hi, welcome sa vlog. This is the first vlog about Pabili App. My name is JR. I am a software developer for more than, well, almost a decade already. So, 10 years na ako nag-work. My previous job I was a technical lead in a payment company, which is awesome. Pero recently, nag-resign ako sa work dahil gusto ko talagang may start itong journey na to into creating a startup. So, gusto kong magkaroon ng startup, gusto kong makatulong sa ibang tao, and most importantly, gusto kong ma-challenge yung sarili ko when creating something that I have never done before. So, or doing a thing na hindi ko pa nagagawa dati. So, ito yun. So, this is my laptop where I coded uh, mostly ng MVP ng Pabili App or most viable product or kumbaga yung pinaka parang prototype ng application. And this is my desktop kung saan ako like nagde-design and creative things dyan ko ginagawa. So the first episode is just going to be about the introduction about the Pabili App and bakit ko siya ginawa. And introduction nga about myself, which is yun yung introduction na yun. And si Pabili App basically is just an app or a platform that kumbaga magiging platform ng mga small businesses in order for them to sell their products. So gusto ko makapag-sell sila ng products and mabenta nila yon sa mga customers. And then, yeah, so that's basically the whole idea about it. Pero si Pabili App is actually gusto ko rin siyang maging social media in the future. Gusto kong magkaroon siya lang parang as a social media talaga that people can post, review, their reviews and rates and so on and so forth. Kasi gusto kasi Pabili App will be transparent all throughout the journey of it. So, kaya kaya rin ako gumagawa ng vlog para mas maging malapit ako sa customers, sa sellers, sa couriers in order for them to feel that they really belong talaga dito sa app na to or sa platform. So, yun yung pinaka main goal. And yeah, so si Pabili app will be divided into three app, seller, courier, and customer. So yun yung difference nila like normal. Yung katulad din ng ibang apps or platforms with delivery service, ganun din siya. Pero yun nga, the difference is more on that. And magagawa din ako ng videos, isa-isahin ko yung app and ano yung difference nila and ano yung mga probably ano yung mga mare-recommend nyo rin when it comes to creating this app kasi gusto ko nga na ang Pabili app will be the app for us for Filipinos na gusto natin magkaroon ng sariling atin and this will be like the majority of it majority of features will be decided by the market itself. So yun yung pinaka whole idea about it. And what else? So basically, ito kasing Pabli app is also a big challenge for myself. Tulad nga ng nasabi ko kanina, um, I am not a good person when it comes to communication. So, gusto ko na talagang mahasa rin yung sarili ko when it comes to this type of thing. Kasi ako is just a programmer. I am a technical lead before. So, meron akong part na nakikipag-communicate ako sa tao but not in terms of like business development or talking to investors, like talking to people that I have never talked before. Yun yung mga tipo ng like tipo ng things na gagawin ko ngayon. Like for example, right now I just prepared yung presentation para sa investors, target investors ni Pabili App kasi ang target namin is gumawa ng magkaroon this January we'll collect funds as much as we can. And then sa February, we already do the compatibility testing para ma-release na namin yung app by March, then we will have the soft launch ng Pabili app. So for now, it will just be about connecting funds and para magkaroon kami ng fund para makapag-compatibility testing. Compatibility testing is yung itetest namin yung app sa actual ng mga tao, actual real-life scenarios ng mga courier, sellers, and customers. So, kaya yun yung plano namin yan. So, syempre, I need to talk to those people. And, yeah, so it's also going to be a challenge to myself. Pero, I want to balance it out kasi ayokong maging investor-centric yung app. I want it to be market-centric. Kung ano yung mapag-decide ng market, that will be beneficial for all, then yun yung magiging takbo ng app. So, yun yung gusto kong mangyari. And I'm just a facilitator of that. And, yun, so I don't know kung how will things go out with the presentations, but I will do my best. Um, Also, these vlogs will be the documentary of the whole process of the Pabili app. Like probably in the future, some of you are thinking, kahit na hindi ka programmer, kahit na you're just an ordinary person, na meron kang idea, you can also start like to create your own startup or business, whatever it is. And then you can also use this as a guide. Eventually, my target is to become successful itong Pabili app and it will be big or something like that. Then, some people can use it as a guide. Like, pwede mo itong gamitin guide in order for you to create a business or to create something on your own. So, yeah, so that's something that I'm looking at it kasi for now, puro mga foreigners lang yung nakikita kong gumagawa ng ganun and there's really no guide for us, especially here in the Philippines na gumawa ng ganong klaseng pattern. So, hopefully, it can also help those people na mayroong entrepreneurial spirit and entrepreneurial mind. And yeah, so going back to that na this is also going to be a challenge to myself. Kaya nga, I'm really pushing to it kasi gusto kong like ma-challenge talaga yung sarili ko and to really evaluate myself. Like, kaya nga ako nag-resign sa work so I can really focus and give it all sa project na to. And yeah, so kumbaga parang give it all and walang sisian. Like, kumbaga, binigay ko naman yung best ko. And I also have a team ng programmers din na tumutulong sa akin with comes to a lot of things. And yun. So, when it comes to that, when you, we will also, I'm targeting to release the app i-release ko siya by February. Pero, syempre, i-review pa siya ng Play Store and also ng App Store. So, I don't know, kasi this is like the first time na talagang, kasi before, we're just releasing it, and then the mobile team are handling all the process. So, me as a technical lead, I don't really know like the average time and so on and so forth. So, now I'm going to be really into it. So, kasi dati marami kang inisip and ganito ganyan. So, yung release review time is something na hindi ko talaga natututukan. Pero ngayon, I don't really know ano yung average time, pero I will definitely know now kung ano yung mga ganong part, so may investigate ko siya. Pero our target for the soft launch is going to be on March. Pero we will have a beta launch probably on February kasi mag-start na nga yung compatibility testing by Feb. So if the people that are interested, you can send an email to support@pabili.app. And with that, kasi yung mga like mag-email, we will give you access so you can register and then you can try the app and you can see, you can test security, you can test like the vulnerability, you can test the UI UX, and you can give feedback. Actually, yun din yung pinaka main reason kaya ako naggawa ng vlog or magagawa ng documentary. So the people can really uh, say kung ano yung mga dapat na improve. Like kung ano yung mga dapat na like let's say ano yung mga marami kasing i-improve yan, 'di ba? So maraming ganito, ganyan. So para mas madali ko siyang makuha yung mga feedback and then para mas madali ko siyang magawan ng paraan. Okay? So, yun. So that's basically the first episode of the vlog. Looking forward to uh, to release it soon, and then sana maging okay ang lahat. But if not, then we will work it from there. And yeah, so thank you for your time and see you on the next episode.